Can you do the alphabet one more time?
Star!
The star. Here, say it from the beginning.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, T, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay! You are so good.
Star!
And the star at the end. Can you do your counts? Counting?
Mom? 1,
Here, start at the beginning. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17,
Oh, you missed 16. You missed 16. Go back to 16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Yay! Give me a big high five. Yay! Can you blow a kiss to the camera? That was good. Yeah, good blowing. You're an awesome kid, Robbie.